Do you want to spam your annoying friend to gain his attention? Or you want to look like some kind of a tech-savvy geek knowing only basic Python? Or are you tired of building chatbot applications using sophisticated models only to test it in IPython Notebook, feeling the need to deploy your application? Whoops, looks like it's expensive, and on top of that it doesn't seem like it is easily compatible with Python. Introducing WhatsApp Bot, a Python package that automates the process of reading and replying to your messages. Built on top of the Python package Py2Go, a cross-platform package used to programmatically control keyboard and mouse events. Our WhatsApp Bot package uses few critical points, pixel position, and its color to be precise to automate the process of reading and replying to the user messages, along with identifying and authorizing them. It's an intelligent software that is cross-platform, which can accurately read all new messages, irrespective of its length, and its speed can be brutal. Cherry on cake, it gives you exactly who sent what at which time, along with the message. You get the message in the above format, with clear differentiation between personal and group messages. You can even send images, assuming you generate images or reports as part of your algorithm, with the only current limitation being unable to read stickers and videos. The sight of it working on full flow is in itself a great sight to the eye. Though the implementation of this is too for us, you will have a hassle-free experience using our packages. We have taken care of everything that can go wrong highware. It's a cakewalk to understand these really simple functions. If your algorithm needs previous messages to process its reply, don't worry, we got you covered, with various options for filtering as well. We have clear UI-based setup to guide you with the process of setting up the bot in your system, which shouldn't take more than 5 minutes even if you are trying hard not to. So, what are you waiting for? Install from EU by using pip install WhatsApp Bot Nano.